Today's video is sponsored by ASMOKE. Beer infused and hot sauce mixed ribs on the ASMOKE Essential Portable Grill. Is it any good? Is it the best portable grill on the market? And also, does beer infused and hot sauce ribs, is it good? We're gonna jump right in. Well, not only are we testing out, is this the best smart portable grill on the market, we are also testing out with our St. Louis style cut ribs with my sweet red dirt.
Also using their ASCA technology,
which allows you to pour liquid and it infuses it into moisture back into the food. And that is what we're going to do. And then as we get this thing cooking, we'll highlight all the key features during the cook. But right now we're going to go ahead and pour some beer in here. And this is Guinness Stout Drought. And we are going to allow this to baste. And then we're going to baste this with barbecue sauce towards the end with the Guinness as well, and see if we have a great end product. So this is the ash drawer, and then this is the liquid drawer as well. Gonna pour as much as it allows me to, and if I need to continue to refill, we will. And I'll bring you in to show you what this looks like. It's got this cool contraption that allows you to lock the lid when you're traveling, because this is obviously portable. And then you can scoot this up. It's got great space up here, and you'll notice the first thing, which we'll talk about features here in a moment, but it is got great grill space where the hopper is on the left side, and this gives you plenty of cooking space. While our ribs are cooking, let's go over the key features of this ASMOKE Essential Smoker. So this is a pretty cool, smart smoker. We'll start with the size, and I'll have this on the screen as well, but it's a 19 by 13 this way, and then with the hopper, it's up to 25 inches wide, and then it's 19 wide. Whenever it's just the lid and the grill space. A couple key features. We did an unboxing yesterday and a burn in, and I'm going to show that on the screen. It was really simple to put together. It was very well packaged, and obviously the branding was spot on, but I just had to assemble the legs. I had to assemble the handle and the hopper, and then everything else was just kind of just putting the grill grates inside. So I'll have that on the screen. Pretty straightforward. If you're not really handy, or you got big hands like mine, you got to turn your screwdriver with your little small screws. It's a little tricky, but it was pretty straightforward on putting things together. It was, and so anyways, that was all the things you got to put together. That's the size of the grill. Let's talk about the key features. It's battery operated as one of the #1 features. So if you charge it for, I think, an hour and a half or something like that, it gets 10 hours of cooking or battery life. So if you have 2 packs, you get 20 hours. That's amazing. So if you're camping, tailgating, or barbecue competitions, this might be your new best friend because it makes it a wireless experience. Then you get 2 pit probes that come with it, a digital display PID system, power button. It's got this digital display with recipes. If you're a newbie and you want a step-by-step process showing you how to cook something, it tells you to do it. Then you can also download the app, have that on the screen. I had no issues connecting wirelessly, literally nothing. I got full permission on this video, even though I was sent this thing to give you my honest feedback. I had no connectivity issues. It was pretty straightforward. And then you can just dial it in. It's got manual mode, or if you want to click on a recipe. So you use this knob here to turn to get the temperature you want, and the range I believe is like 170 to 500 degrees. And then you've got the power on button, you got the battery life. It's portable. I won't pick it up, but it's, I think, 30 pounds, so really lightweight. This is a 5-pound hopper, and you can open it this way, put your pellets in there. They sell their own pellets, or if you use different pellets, you can use it that way as well. And then the inside of the grill grates has a sliding tray that allows you to do direct grilling or indirect grilling, which is right now with ribs, we got it, the sliding tray to go over the holes. There's about 5 holes that allow you to get direct flames whenever you're grilling steaks, chicken, or you want to just get a good sear, which will, let me know in the comments if you want to see like a steak video and see how well we can get this thing searing steaks using on a pellet grill. But that's a key feature on the inside. You're going to notice the hoppers on the left, which we talked about, and you get all this landscape for grilling. And I'll have it on the screen what ASMOKE says you can cook, how much you could put on this grill space and grill great. But I think I could get, it says it can get one rib rack. I think I could probably get two, most likely, if you square it up really nicely. And then, so that's the grill space. That's a key feature as far as being able to do indirect, direct cooking, low and slow or hot and fast cooking on this. And you get all this landscape. It's portable, 30 pounds, digital display, the battery life, and essentially that covers all of the main features. And the last one I want to mention is there's a little tray.
I believe it to be the ASCA Technology,
where the ash removal is on the right side, the liquid tray is on the left side. You saw in the earlier video where we're doing beer as our liquid. It comes with a little tray, and then put this back in there and it's evaporating pretty nice. We're almost 100 degrees on the ribs right now. We've got it set for 250 and we're just gonna let it ride. I might bump it up towards the end of the cook. Then we're gonna baste it with barbecue sauce, beer again, and hot sauce, and then we'll give you a final review. But that covers, that's the main three features. 5-pound hopper on the side with all this landscape for cooking, digital, new display, the battery life, that's 10 hours on an hour-and-a-half charge, and then this ash tray and then liquid tray that gives you that technology to infuse and moisture of that liquid to evaporate into the protein and meat that you're cooking. So that covers all the key features. Let me know what questions in the comments you have about this, and if I'm thinking of any other features, we'll mention it later in the video or put it on the screen. But that's a quick highlight. Now we're gonna let the smoke see you back when it's time to start basting these ribs and do a final taste test and thoughts on this ASMOKE Essential. And if you're finding value in this video so far, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. It really helps our business and helps us build a wonderful community as we share best practices. And also check out bartlowsbarbecue.com for our rubs, seasonings, and sauces. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that slicing show, how tender and juicy it is. Let's bite into this and see how we did. Oh my gosh. First off, those ribs were incredible. Seriously, the flavor did it just top notch. So beer infused hot sauce mixed recipe. I think it's awesome. You know, as I pull this tray out, we still have a lot of liquid left, so I can't confirm, and I've got a little spillage here, that it completely evaporated. So I think I might have put too much liquid in there, but just knowing that it did turn into moisture, some of it did, basting it with hot sauce, barbecue sauce, and the beer together, plus my sweet red dirt, the flavor was outstanding. When it comes to the technology and just the ease of use, this performed flawlessly. I totally see this being something I would recommend to you if you're looking for a pellet grill, a portable grill, with all the technology you get with like digital display, recipes to help you along, battery life, a side hopper with all this real estate for cooking. There is so much good packed into a small package here. Highly recommend it. I'll have the price on the screen, because I know they have a Kickstarter and the price might change. So I'll have it on the screen, but also have a link in the description so you have the most up-to-date price point. But I think basic package is $3.99, and then it goes higher if you add on a lot of accessories. And because it has a lot of accessories to go along with this, if you want to add on, man, this is an A+. It has like a little side tray for your rubs and your drink. It's also got a cast iron grill grit, I was told, and maybe even a griddle accessory, a cover, a lot of accessories, and even a tabletop you could buy to put this on when you're tailgating. So just a lot of good. So let me know in the comment what you want to see on this next cook that we do, what questions you have that I can answer. And overall, man, I'm super impressed. And we'll have a link in the description, try to give you the best discount as well. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.